We've all had those moments where we wear our protective style for 3 to 4 weeks and neglect to maintain our scalp health, which is basically what happened to me. I had a mini twist, and in the last 2 weeks of me having those mini twists in, I completely neglected the health of my hair. In this video, I'm showing you guys step by step how I nurse my hair back to health, and the first thing I like to do is use this pre-shampoo by African Pride. Now, pre-shampooing has so many benefits, from helping to get rid of knots and tangles to breaking down and removing product and scalp buildup. Girl, I used to never believe in pre-shampooing until I decided to give this product a try, and I cannot believe how much my hair has been retaining moisture ever since. And with my type 4 hair, it is imperative for me to use moisturizing and hydrating product because my hair gets dry very easily. So starting off with a pre-shampoo sets the tone for the shampoo and conditioning process when it comes to detangling. Now, I did start off going in with a comb first, but then I decided to switch to using a brush instead, which made it much more easier to detangle. I split my hair in 3 sections on each side, and I work in one section at a time to avoid causing any breakage. Now, one thing about detangling type 4 hair is you really have to take your time when it comes to brushing and making sure you get all of the knots and tangles out, because if I don't do this, when I shampoo my hair, it's just going to be a hot tangled mess, and that's not something that I have time for to deal with. In the middle of me detangling my hair, I realized I had one twist that was hiding, but I did started to detangle my hair in sections, and that's to help me not to rush the process, because I found that when I would rush through detangling my hair, it would cause my hair to break and have split ends going up faster up my hair shaft. Now, I did attempt to film my actual shampoo process, but that was a fail, so I decided to show what I use instead, which is this clarifying shampoo by Brigio. This is one of the best clarifying shampoo I have used so far, and the reason why I go in with a clarifying shampoo is because of all the buildup I had in my hair, which the pre-shampoo helped with breaking down, but now the clarifying shampoo is what will remove it and clean my scalp and my hair strands completely from all of the buildup. So when I go to put in my deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner, they're better able to penetrate through the hair shaft, which then keeps moisture in my hair longer after wash days. Then I go in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, which is almost finished, but I have at least 2 more washes left in this bottle, so I'm gonna use it all up before I buy another one. If you guys want to see a product in this video, let me know in the comment. And I will also say that this shampoo has contributed to my hair growth, and I don't think I will be switching to any other shampoo anytime soon. So after my shampoo process, I then go in with either a hair mask or a hydrating conditioner. I'm using this hair mask by Talia Wajid. It has so many good ingredients in it. It has shea butter, it has honey and banana. I mean, this hair mask will honestly make your hair so soft. I use it as a deep conditioner after my shampooing process. And lastly, I use a shampoo brush, which helps me to get in the nooks and crannies of my scalp and hair that I wouldn't be able to reach with a regular hairbrush. I use this to give myself a scalp massage and to detangle during the shampoo process. And that's basically all of the products I use in the shower. So this is basically how my hair looks after washing, and as you can see, all of the buildup I had on my scalp is gone. When it comes to my 4C hair, I've learned over time the only way to manage it while trying to style it is by again going one section at a time. If I don't do this with my hair, it will get tangled all over again. So when it comes to my leave-in products and styling products, I use a bit of old school mixed with new school. I use this spray leave-in by Cream of Nature. If you ever had relaxed hair before, then you know this was the leave-in to use. And after that, I go in with this cream leave-in conditioner by Mizani, and I go in with a serum by Fantasia, and these 3 products always give me a movable, silky blowout result, aka my hair doesn't give straw hat by the time that I'm done. So again, even with the blowout process, I work my hair in sections. I honestly follow like a salon method of doing my hair so I can get salon results. Normally I would give myself a trim at this point, but it wasn't necessary here. I only trim my hair when I really need to, which may be every 4 to 5 months or so. I like to grow out my trims before I go in and cut again, just to give my hair time to actually grow and to breathe after a trim. I dusted my hair not too long ago from this point, so I didn't see it necessary to go ahead and dust or trim again. When I blow dry, I like to use the tension pull method, either with the comb attachment or with the concentrator attachment, but most of the time I do it with the comb attachment. So after I'm done, I like to go back in with the concentrator nozzle and brush my hair throughout, and it gives me a silky smooth blowout. And I like to keep my hair in braids while I blow out my hair so that I can keep my hair stretched. I've been doing this exact method for 5 months now, and my hair seemed to be thriving. This was my hair about a year ago in May 2024. Compared to my hair now, I mean, girl, look at this progress. I'm honestly shocked that my hair has grown back to where it used to be. One of these days, I have to do a story time when I went to a Dominican salon, to be exact, and they cut my hair so short without my knowledge, and ever since they did that, my hair had a very hard time growing back. So that's a story time for another video. That's pretty much my entire process, how I bring my scalp and my hair back to health after a protective style, after I've neglected my hair in a protective style. I hope to see you all again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you guys in the next video. Peace.